Guys, before we start, hit that subscribe button and trust me, these steps make YouTube so much easier to use. Today, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos legally using the official method. Open the YouTube app and now find the video you want to save. For me, I'm going to click on any of the video. For me, I'm going to click on this video. Now just stop the video. And now just scroll here and you will see an option called download button. Just hit on it. And now you will see an option. Okay. For me, I can only download the medium or low quality videos. But if you have the premium version, you can also download it in full HD or in high quality. And just tap on download button and the video will be now saved inside your YouTube, so now you can watch it anytime even without internet. And trust me, this is the perfect for long trips and when your Wi-Fi is acting up. And that's it guys, simple, safe and official. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.